we have told him, as per the notification issued by the government of Meghalaya, we are ready to implement the same as per the date prescribed by the DC. But their demand is different, asking for the same date of the Meghalaya, outside of the Meghalaya, which we have not agreed. We told them, government of Meghalaya, what they have mentioned in their notification only for particular for Meghalaya, which will communicate, which will agree for that.
So what is the next step beyond?
They were telling different things. They were telling etc. that whatever they reach up to the Barnihart, suppose some transport is going to be Dibrugarh, they are asking the rate of the Barnihart up to different and the growth of the different. This is not possible. This is agreement. This is the national highway. Everybody is in this thing. We are using this vehicle, transport on the highway. But what they demanded is not genuine. Initially, when we had called in the CM meeting also, Commissioner Secretary meeting also, the letter has been issued by the Commissioner Secretary, Government of Meghalaya. This date was only in Meghalaya. DO is being made. Which from the DO is being made, we will make the payment. Suppose DO is made from the Dibrugarh, we will make for the different rate. If the DO is made of the Meghalayas, only in Barnihart, we will make the payment for the Barnihart of that rate. This is our things.
There will be two different rates. Say if I have to take the load to...
Within Meghalaya, there will be rate as per Meghalaya notification, and for other states, it will be as per our market rate.
Sir, we will make the payment as per the DO. Suppose we have made the DO of the Dibrugarh, we pay straight from the Dibrugarh, not nothing Barnihart. If the DO is been made for the Barnihart, we will make the payment of the Barnihart as per the government of Meghalaya rate.
That means if the good is supposed to be taken to, say, Tezpur, okay.
It could sir, go Dibrugarh, Tezpur, whatever, any destinations go to the destination goes. As per the system, when the transport goes in the shorter distance, prices will be high. When the transport for the longer distance, that price is less. We don't know the big transporters, TCI, etc. How they are running on the DSA thing. They are having thousands, 5,000 trucks.
Kaman the stang strike the San Pound Pau the Ligri Pendong is in. The Hadin for arts tua the could meeting DC even Arliang Mamlai the cement factory where he come to JC. The Hadin getting meeting the Hadin with the Bichar DC Yaganiga issue beyond DC the Kajing Sim Kiang the Ongu Nebawa M complicated Kajak with the Phoenix cement factory on the Palat yaga Meghalaya UA garet ko rim. Nagating daw I mhuni te niti daw ban UDC uto a garet kat kamo a notification ga sarkar. Hadin nete ejing chiu ong a lat ya I. A lat kam ga office wo le I nebenta kaniga issue biang sagawi ka order teji por lada kaniga company mbot ko ya kaniga order JP strike ni sekhaman. Teji por da ongule yementu siapa deu borom siapa call off no strike na pendam yang strike mesti mengui hadir dalam isu order begini cement factory membut kini yepu strike indefinite strike yopi dan nei raile hadin ka jingi chamudisi da am meeting gyongi da mbai le da raile wa larjia wa mpekre kam kini cement factory mesti mengui chpau je nadu chpau je sedang strike itu mengui nyau terek strike I continue ke strike kamu mood strike ni. Kamu uman kata kerja pembayar yang ini betul. Kamu soki kata put yang Meghalaya. Hadin nete I kamu kerja isi perkara ni kamu leki I lek kamu non leki halor itu.